Morning everyone, Thursday the 27th of April. Busy day again at GM. We've got Big Daz coming on Friday to see you, so I'm looking forward to seeing my pal Daz. So I'll get him on the vlogs when he comes in. So what is going to happen today? I'm actually going to give the camera to Haggy, and Haggy's going to show you a new Evo that's come in, and he's going to give you a little quick update on the workshop. So for now I'll pass you to Haggy.
So it's Haggy here taking over. First start off, we have this Evo 9 behind us, which is getting prepped, ready for sale very soon. Previous owners put a lot of work in this, full polybushed, literally every component. It's got a good clutch in it, extreme twin plate as well. It's also on ER1s there, you can see, but a very good example, good clean one, perfect for sort of fast road sort of setup on that one there. So I'll show you around it quickly and we'll have a look at this car.
Yuki, is that you?
But like I stated in a few videos back, especially on the Evos, what you need to buy is on condition alone. There's a lot of UK cars out there doing very good money, but when you start getting them on a ramp and start poking around, there's obviously a lot of inherent sort of rust issues. So bear that in mind. This is a perfect car to basically drive out now, enjoy, and it's a pretty secure investment on that side as well. We also have Ant's 32 GTR and Tom's here in the background, two perfect examples of each platform there, and I'm grown to love these wheels, the BBS LMs. So I know you're watching, I know that we're discussing about the T37 options, but in person these wheels are ace. So now here with Paul Cameron's TTRS, which is getting finalised tuning for the road as well. You can see there on our brand new alignment machine. So it's the final tweaks before it's ready for doing some road use, some drag use as well, so keep your eyes out for that. Right, we're now here with Warren's beautiful R35, which is almost ready. Minus a few little things, but here, as you can see, first to note, this colour on this tank here is unbelievable. It's almost like a candy purple, isn't it?
It is, certainly. The purple does make a massive difference.
Kyle's the man who's been building this as well, as you already know. But yeah.
Obviously, a good touch is Warren's titanium bolts he got.
Yeah.
He got a full bolt kit for his blow-off valves, his trims, obviously his engine.
Yeah.
So that's quite a bit of swag.
Yeah, it's such an awesome build, isn't it? But the car in general is absolutely gorgeous. So here with Billy's GTR as well, which is getting a lot of the Mad Sweden products here, which I believe they're built at one piece as well, which to the eye look absolutely amazing as well. So have a quick look at this here. And I think as well the perfect colour combination for this car as well, which is a fantastic bit of kit. So Lewis's RB25 very near completion now. A very nice build in this one as well. It's got some pond cams to go in. So yeah, so this has been built for drifting as well. So obviously we've got the extended collar plus the M1 oil pump, which is a very good upgrade for RB25s, alongside the oil gallery restrictors as well, which is a necessity with the head drain on RB25s. I'm also a big ambassador for these Aeroflow sumps. A few of my brothers do run these, and we have a very good sort of results from them. So a good option if you want to run a baffle sump on the 25s, which is a must if you do drifting or any sort of track work. Pretty much saves your engine as well. So Lewis, I know you're waiting patiently, buddy, but this is very close to completion. So Marty's working on Dan's WRX, which is in for general sort of maintenance and some additions, some performance mods. So Dan is a very good customer, GM. His car is looked after by us. So yeah, so he'll be on the road soon, enjoy it for summer. So that's it for Thursday, on the kebabs. So we're on Friday, it is bank holiday weekend coming as well, so I look forward to that.
Let's go So that is all for today, guys. I hope you like the videos we're doing. Don't forget to subscribe, like the channel, share, comment, good, bad. Okay.